Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of three numbers. The three numbers here are 16, 24 and 32. So we will be using the long division method or the prime factorization method or the ladder method. All are the same for finding the factors, for finding the LCM of these three numbers. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple means a number which is common to all the three numbers and is a least number and divides all the three numbers fully. Let us now find the LCM of these three numbers. There are basically two ways in which you can find the LCM of three numbers. First way is to find the factors of the numbers separately and then find the common factors and take the multiple of these factors to find the LCM. The other method is to divide the numbers together in a single ladder. I am going to show you both the methods in this video. Here we are going to do the first way where we are going to divide the numbers separately and find the factors of these numbers. So our numbers are 16, 24 and 32. And the single ladder we will divide all the three numbers together. In the prime factorization method we use prime numbers or prime factors to divide the numbers. Let us divide 16. The minimum prime factor or prime divisor is 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. Again we will divide 8 by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. Next we will divide 24 by 2. As 24 is even, we can divide 24 by 2. So 2 times 12 is 24. Then 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. Next we will divide 32 by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 will be carried over to the next digit. So this becomes 12. So 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. So now we are going to write the numbers as the product of their factors as 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and 32 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So after writing the numbers as the product of their factors, we are going to find the common factors in between the numbers. If there are any common factors, we are going to write the common factors only once. So here we see that the common factors are this 2 is common to all the three numbers. So we are going to write 2 only once here. So LCM will be 2 times. So this 2 again is common to all the three numbers. So one more 2 is there. This 2 is again common to all the three numbers. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 as the factors which are common to all the three numbers. Now we'll see the factors which are common to any two numbers. So here we see that one more 2 is common to 16 and 32. So that 2 we are going to circle and we are going to write it only once. And then we have single factor 3 from 24 and single factor 2 from 32. So the LCM is now the product of all these factors, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48 and 48 times 2 is 96. So the LCM of all the three numbers is 96. Let us now find the LCM by our single ladder method, where we write all the three numbers together and divide these numbers together. As all the three numbers are even, so we are going to use 2 as the common factor. So 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 12 is 24 and 2 times 16 is 32. Again all the three numbers are even, so we are going to use 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 8 is 16. We are going to divide by 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. As two numbers are even, we can use 2 as the divisor. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 is not fully divisible by 2, so we are going to write it as is, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so first we will divide by 2. So this is 1, 3 will remain as is, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now we are going to use 3 as the divisor. So 3 times 1 is, now all the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM, we just need to multiply all the factors which we got on the left hand side of the ladder. So the LCM will become 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 96. So as you have seen, we have used single ladder and multiple ladder method to find the LCM of the three numbers. In the first method, we calculated the factors by dividing the numbers individually, and in the second method, we have divided the numbers together. No matter what method you use, you are going to get the same answer. I hope this video is helpful to you, and you can now find the LCM of three numbers by any of the methods, or by either the single ladder method or the multiple ladder method. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.